I've got you under my skin. I've got you so deep in the heart of me. You're so deep in mine that you're nearly a part of me. And I've got you under my skin. This is the man himself. Come on, Lamar, make me proud, baby. Hey! Yeah. Uh-huh. Oh, I love it. Each time I do, just the thought of you makes me stop before I begin. I've got you, and you know I got you, and I've got you under my skin. Thank you. Thank you very much. How sweet it is to be loved by you. Leave the shelter of someone's arms, and baby, there you were. I needed someone to understand my ups and downs. There you were. With sweet love and devotion, deeply touched by emotions. I wanna stop. Thank you, baby. I just won't stop. Thank you, baby. The ABCs of it. I want to get close to you. Right down to the X, Y, Z, V. Help me solve the mysteries of it. So teach me to lie. Beneath the blue umbrella sky, softer than the piper man, what they call to you. And I lost you to, hey, the summer wind. Talk about the summer wind. The summer wind. The summer wind. I always want to do that. The summer wind. Hey, the summer wind. Hey. Little Ray Charles in the house. Hey. Let me tell you about a girl I know. She is my baby and she lives next door. Every morning before the sun come up, she bring me coffee in my favorite cup. That's why I know, yes I know, hallelujah, and I love her so. When I'm in trouble and I have no friends, I know she's with me until the end. Everybody asks me how I know. Smiling to me, says she told me so. That's why I know, yes I know, hallelujah, and I love her so. If I call her on the telephone to tell her that I'm all alone, by the time I count from 1 to 4, I hear on my door in the evening when the sun goes down, and there is nobody else around. She squeezes me and she holds me tight. She said, honey, everything's alright. That's why I know, yes I know, hallelujah, and I love her so. Hallelujah, I love her so. Thank you! There's, ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Charles.